The noisy sounds of snoring occur when there is an obstruction to the free flow of air through the passages at the back of the mouth and nose. This area is the collapsible part of the airway where the tongue and upper throat meet the soft palate and uvula. Snoring occurs when these structures strike each other and vibrate during breathing. If you do snore, try these self-help remedies. Adopt a healthy lifestyle to develop good muscle tone and lose weight. Avoid tranquilizers, sleeping pills, and antihistamines before bedtime. Avoid alcohol for at least 4 hours and heavy meals or snacks for 3 hours before bedtime. Establish regular sleeping patterns. Sleep more. Sleep on your side rather than on your back.